Hey guys, today it's a crazy night. It's very rainy, guys. It's very rainy. The cloud, look. You can't even see the sky anymore. It's raining really hard. So, I'm just gonna try. I'm outside right now, guys. Look how hard that rain is. It's so hard. Oh, did you just see that light? And the thunder? And see those clouds? They were like over here, but then they just moved all the way there, like in 5 seconds. So this is really crazy storm. I'm not sure if we could stop this storm. So it's really hard rain, and I'm not sure. It's so hard. But can I show your face? Can I show your face, Baba?
No, for what?
Right, I'm making a YouTube video. You guys see, my dad is with me. This is crazy.
That's a lot of dirt.
Yeah, and guys, you hear that, guys? And not a car. I just heard a rumble of thunder or lightning. I mean, this is crazy. A lot of people are leaving, coming back home. What should I say? And I figured out how to do this. Somebody told me in the comments that, well, somebody told me in my class. They saw my video. They said I could what did they say? What the heck? They said that I could go to my settings, check storage, and someone else said that I had to delete some apps which I didn't really like. So this is crazy, guys. There is tons of rain. There's a tornado somewhere. Guys, it's like a summertime. Wait, it's like 19 days of school left, and this is happening. Yeah, 19 days. Well, 20 days counting today. Wait, guys, that never happened. Okay, this is crazy, guys. Cray. You guys should go check out TDM. And this is so crazy. Okay, so guys, this is really, I thank God I can make this video. It's 10 minutes, it's past 2 minutes. So thank you. So you guys should go check out the TDM's channel. This is crazy, guys. It was like such a sunny day, and then in like 5 seconds this happened. Can you guys imagine that? What? Okay.
You got 3 minutes to clean all the schmutz off. Okay. You're gonna have to clip my nails. You're gonna have to pick my scab. And you're gonna have to do some other.
Okay, guys, this is weird.
And if you don't, I'm gonna smash your house. Oh. Also, my game has virtual reality.
Okay, guys,
The beginning.
this is the beginning. Yeah, but did you see it was like sunny, then it was like bang, it's gone. And the sun was gone. So guys, this is so crazy. What to say? Guys, I don't know. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Crazy. So, I'm not sure if we're gonna survive this. This is tornado, somebody said. There's gonna be thunderstorm here. And usually thunderstorm, no, not thunder, oh my god, lightning. And usually they, that's a nice view of the condo. Another video like this. It's just, I can't hold the camera that much. I'm shaking. Because usually tornadoes move to thunderstorms. No, oh my god, lightning! Can I talk? Wait, Mom, does this sound like lightning or thunder? Yeah, what starts first?
Lightning.
Okay, yeah, lightning. Yeah, what was I gonna say? Lightning about lightning. Oh, lightning. I was gonna say about oh yeah, tornadoes move to lightning. Cause I think the tornado formed because of the lightning storm. The tornado's gonna try to find the tornado storm. I hope this makes sense. See, did you just see the flash? Yeah, I just saw like 2 flashes. Yeah, this is really crazy, guys. What's the real time?
5:30.
I'm so stupid. It's on my it's on my iPad. I could just do this. Oh my god. Okay, guys.
ماما أنا بدي أنظف المطبخ فبدي أنزل الأباجور وأفتح الضوء. يلا.
Okay, wait. Okay, trees might fall down for this, so a trees might fall down, and the tree removal people just started and removing the trees on the floor, and now they're gonna fall again. I feel bad for them. So you guys are gonna get a better view from the big door. Did you hear this flash? I'm gonna put this Catch Thunder on my channel. Guys, this is a huge storm. I hope you guys live somewhere else where there's no storms. And guys, did you hear about what was I gonna say? I can't talk. The volcano in Hawaii. Guys, that's crazy. Do you guys see that? Guys, if you're watching this video, tell me in the comments if you saw that flash. Okay, I can't. I'm just gonna keep it like this so you guys don't miss anything. Wait. Okay, I can't. My hand is too small. Okay, dude! I wish you guys. Guys, I just opened the door by mistake. Guys. Okay, guys, I think they're saying hail. Both! Guys, this is so crazy. Guys, do that. Okay, I'm gonna lock this. Okay, that's better. Now, God, that was so creepy. To open the door, I was like, no. I was like, oh, thank God, I just did that. I'm putting too much pressure. I'm gonna leave this over here until there's at least one flash. What? Guys, did you see that? Look. Guys. Is there gonna be flood? Is there gonna be flood? Like, look. Guys, I can't show you. Oh, I wish my iPad was waterproof. I'll just try. It's a stupid thing. The door is locked. Look, guys. Look how much water is coming out of that thing. Wait, that thing. See? This is gonna be flooding. What should I do? Tell me in the comments. Lock. Okay, guys, I feel bad for that person right there. He's walking his dog in the rain. Okay, thank God bad guys are probably not running outside like crazy people. Okay, do you guys see that flash? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna leave it here until there's a flash. Dang, I only have 1 minute. Okay. Come on, please flash. Flash. Lightning. I am speed. That was a tiny flash that you saw, but in real life it's very big. Wish you guys could see this in real life. People are lucky that we live here. Well, I live here, so I'm lucky. I never thought of that. But I wish you guys could see this in real life. Did you guys see that? Yes, I finally caught one on camera. Wait, maybe I could caught lightning right there. Okay. Guys, I was trying to make a video. You guys hear that? Dude, did you see that? Did you see that and hear that? I feel bad for that person right there. Oh my god. Dude, do you hear that? Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. You guys are probably telling me to shut up. You guys hear that? Okay, my video is ending. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and like to my channel. Bye. Storm. Okay.